So you need to film your video on a space station, but a space station is not available. Using Chroma key, you could add any kind of background you want, including that space station you need. Since Chroma key is replacing the colors in your video and replacing it with another image, you are going to need a solid background. This is where the green screen comes in. Green or sometimes blue screen works well, because human skin does not have a lot of these colors. This allows the Chroma key to not affect the actors involved in the shot, but technically any color can be used. After filming the footage you need to Chroma key, you need to work with it in Final Cut. Import your video files into Final Cut to begin. You also need to import the video or image that you're using for your background. Now drag the file that you want to make your background under the timeline of your green screen clip. Now the background will appear. Now highlight your video. Now click on the effects tab at the top of your screen. Skimming down, go to the key section and finally click Chroma key. Now use the color selector tool. This highlights a general area of color. This general area will be keyed out. Now using the sliders, you could fine-tune the area that is keyed out. The sliders consist of edge thin, softening, and enhance. Edge thin is good for areas of color that are thin and surrounding the object. Essentially, if there's a glow to your subject. Softening will blur the edges of color to hopefully make the glow less noticeable. Finally, enhance will desaturate color to make it less noticeable. Work with the sliders until you get a good green screen effect. Now after rendering, you will get a pretty basic green screen effect. Using this knowledge, you can now try something a little more complex, going from this to this.